Hi, I just wanted to tell you about a new platform where you can earn passive income, and this is a new one, 7% daily for 30 days and 21% auto reinvestment every day. And this is for the Matic network, which is Polygon network. So basically, the easiest way is to get your MetaMask. If you don't have Polygon added, you can go to chainless.org, type in Matic up here, and then you can just connect your wallet and it'll automatically add it to your MetaMask. If you don't have Matic, you can go to Coinbase. Pretty sure you know about Coinbase. Go to Coinbase and you can buy Matic here and send it to your MetaMask. So make sure you get the Matic in your MetaMask, add the network, and then you can go to Stable One and you just put in the amount. Say you have 20 Matic and you want to invest it. This is where you do it, and you have to connect your wallet. Also, they have been audited and they have their white paper, which I recommend you go and do your own investigation. Also, these type of platforms, they're not long-term investing, so I just recommend you, it could be like 30 to 60 days or 90 days is what other people recommend. Or also, I've been in one before. I would say it is about 30 to 60 days, so you do have to watch it, because once these platforms start going down, like you'll see this will change. It'll be like 6% daily, 5%, 4%, 3. It could go down to like 1% or even less. Once it starts going lower and lower and lower, you could tell if they don't like start doing something to raise this again, maybe do new projects or something like that to get more liquidity and money and get things going again. If they don't do that, they usually just go downhill. But in the meantime, you can earn a lot of Matic if you want to, stack up on your Matic or just make some passive income. This is a new one that you can get in early and start doing that. You have an opportunity for like 1 or 2 months to do that. So I just wanted to let you know about this new platform called Stable One. It's stable1.io, and it has been audited. So you can check it here, and also you'll be able to withdraw. This isn't one that some of these platforms, you kind of like the drip network, you put your money in and you can never get it out. I don't really like those type. I mean, they've been audited by Hayes Crypto, and you can go to DApp Radar and find them on there also. So they're on DApp Radar. DApp Radar is a place where you can find a bunch of new dApps, if you don't know about that, on all the different networks. So hopefully, this is not financial advice, and it is risky, and you do have to watch it. Like I said, once you start seeing that you're not getting the same amount of returns and stuff like that, then maybe it's time to leave. But hopefully, you'll do your own investigation, and if you like this, please like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day. Bye-bye.